Hello, good morning guys. So today I'm going to discuss item number 4 in our handout. So the problem goes like this. So the area of the trapezoid ABCD is 318 square centimeters. The altitude is 12 centimeters. AB is 13 centimeters and CD is 37 centimeters. What is BC in centimeters? Okay. Normally, so if we saw a problem like this, so the students will graph like this. Okay, so we're going to draw a trapezoid, okay, where then label it A, B, C, D. So then the altitude is 12, okay, AB is 13, and CD is 37. Normally, ulitin ko, ganito yung ating illustration. But come to think of it, so if we're going to check, sabi dito, the area is 318. Okay, that's given by 1/2 times the sum of the bases times h. Yan yung formula ng area, right? So if we're going to plug in the values, we're going to have 1/2 and then 13 plus 37 times 12. So doing the math here, we're going to have 318 equals 6 times 50. So clearly we can see here that 318 is not equal to 300. So meaning to say, our illustration is incorrect. See that? Again, ang default natin pag nakakita tayo ng trapezoid ABCD, ganito yung illustration. So again, our illustration here is incorrect. So now, anong gagawin natin? Okay. So ibig sabihin, hindi ito yung tamang illustration. So we have to find another way. Okay, that is, so erase muna natin to. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now, so again, we have to revise the illustration. So we're going to draw a trapezoid. Okay. Like this. So lalabas, if this is our A, this is our B, then C, D. So again, it says in the problem, so the altitude is 12, so we have to indicate it. Okay, then let's label it. So AB is 13, CD is 37. So the question is, what is the measure of BC? What's the measure of BC? Okay, now based on our past lesson, so we can easily get the measure. So siguro maganda lagyan natin ng label. So the foot of this perpendicular here, let's label it as E. Then if we're going to do the same, okay, let's drop the same altitude here, then label it as F. Okay, so clearly based on our lesson, so we can say that EB is 5 by Pythagorean triple, right? Take note, we have by Pythagorean theorem or Pythagorean triple, so EB is 5. Next, so DF is 12, so then we have a 12, 35, 37 triple. Okay, so again, nabigay ko na to sa inyo in your class, so we can say that CF is 35. There you go. So now, take note, ang area is 318. So therefore, plugging this one in the formula for the trapezoid, we're going to have 318 equals 1/2 times, okay, sum ng bases, which is AD plus BC, okay, times 12. Okay, so doing the same, so we're going to have 318 equals 6 times AD plus BC. Okay, so now we can see here 318 is divisible by 6, right? So if we're going to do the perform the operation, we're going to get 53. Okay, so take note, unknown yung BC. So meron na tayong CF, meron na tayong EV. What we need to do is to get EF. So what we're going to do, so note that in here, so yung AD natin is equal to EF, right? Equal yan. So therefore we can say that AD plus, ano ba yung BC? Ang BC natin, take note guys, ang BC natin is 40 plus EF, or in short BC is 40 plus AD. Kasi equal yung AD at BF, right? So in short, so what we're going to have here is that 40 plus AD. There you go. So simplifying this, I'm going to have 13 equals 2 times AD. And clearly, AD equals 13 over 2 or 6.5. There you go. So from there, makukuha natin yung final answer that the length of BC is 35 plus 5 plus 6.5, which is 46.5 centimeters. See that? Okay, so that's the answer in problem number 4 of our handout.